Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a Shopify store for digital products. First, you will need to select a Shopify plan that best suits your business needs, perhaps starting with a basic plan. Next, create your account and complete the initial store setup, including your store name and contact information. Finally, choose a visually appealing theme and customize its appearance to perfectly align with your brand's aesthetic and values. This foundational step is crucial for a professional online presence. Now, let's add your first digital product. From your Shopify admin, navigate to the Products section and click Add Product. Here, you will input all the essential details like the product title, description, and pricing. Crucially, remember to uncheck the box that says this is a physical product to correctly designate it as digital. Then, upload your digital file, whether it's an ebook, software, or template, making sure it is accessible for download after purchase. Ensuring seamless delivery is vital for digital products. Shopify automatically handles basic digital downloads, but you can enhance this. Configure your settings for automatic delivery immediately after a successful purchase. For more advanced features, like download limits or expiring links, consider integrating a third-party app from the Shopify App Store. Always test the entire download process yourself to guarantee a smooth customer experience. Finally, customize your email notifications to provide clear instructions and a warm thank you. With your store set up, it's time to attract customers. Optimize your product descriptions and images with relevant keywords to improve search engine visibility. Actively promote your digital products across various social media platforms and through email marketing campaigns. Consider offering an introductory discount, perhaps 10 or 15% off, to entice your very first customers. Remember to continuously monitor your sales data and gather customer feedback. This information is invaluable for making improvements and ensuring long-term success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.